Hey, this is Jim from old school grindcore band Anthropic out of Buffalo, New York. I'm 50, I've been playing 36 years now. I use Collision Drumsticks, they're durable, they feel great in your hand, they ship super fast. They just came out with a nylon tip, which is great for me because that's what I use. I use the 5A and the nylon tip. Today I'm going to do a drum playthrough of our song Last Chance to Escape off of our last album, End of the Bloodline, on CDN Records. Get it?